AccuTemp is always looking for good people. And by good, we mean qualified, attentive, and knowledgeable. AccuTemp is always interviewing potential service technicians and installers. So if you're a person with that skill set and are looking for a place you can call home with people who have your interests in mind, please consider AccuTemp. When we interview for a service technician job, we would like to see someone that has a minimum of 5 years experience, although we will occasionally have entry-level positions. We do expect service technicians to have their own hand tools as well as some common equipment, such as a meter and an amp probe. AccuTemp has had the pleasure to employ several technicians for the past 20 years. It is common for our people to enjoy working here and to stay for a very long time.